We ran the ozone machine before we even started just to get rid of the nasty smell. The next morning we opened everything up to air it out. Next we dealt with the floor mats. We power washed them first to loosen up the heaviest of the debris. Next we sprayed them down with our all-purpose cleaner. We used our airbrush next to loosen up debris from all the channels on the mats. Next we used our steamer to supercharge our all-purpose cleaner and give a real deep clean to these mats. After rinsing, we hung up our mats and blew them completely dry to make sure there was no dirt left behind. The fabric mats were not as bad, so we used our APC and our airbrush to get everything loosened up. Next, we hung them up and power washed out all the soap. We then used our extractor to remove most of the moisture out of the mats. We also used our air gun to loosen up any debris that was left over and help aid in drying the mats. I pre-sprayed my trunk jam with my APC, loosened everything with the detail brush, and then went at it and rinsed it all out with the tornado gun. I used my typhoon gun to blow everything towards the front of the vehicle. This is the very best time to blow out all the cracks, crevices, compartments, door pockets, everything that you need to reach. Now's the time to do it. As I'm loosening up everything and blowing it towards the front, another team member is going behind me and vacuuming. That way there's less dirt and dog hair and everything else for us to deal with later on. It's also a great time to blow out the door pockets, door grips, and get these panels ready to be cleaned. We airbrush, we steam, and we extract all the carpets in the vehicle to ensure we can get them as clean as possible. Our Ryobi cordless spotlight and our snap-on headlamps ensure that we can see everything that we're trying to detail. Our complimentary wash comes with every interior package. The little bit extra we do for the customers goes a long, long way. And now it's time for our reveal.